Hello everybody, let's reveal the top 3 currency trends for 2026. This is in line with the big currency shifts. So we're trading here the Swissy long and the CAD short. Now let's have a look here. This is a pattern, the Euro CAD. This is a daily chart. Let's just zoom in here a little bit. This is the first big mover for 2026. All this is a multi-bar consolidation pattern, and there's a lot of energy vested. This is actually an S1 pattern, and we have just seen here's an entry signal, so precise entry levels. Here's another entry signal, and we're basically riding the overall uptrend. Let's move one time frame higher. Well, that would be the weekly chart. We're looking for 2026, right? So the higher time frames, nicely embedded and supported by the 21 moving average. Very low risk idea, right? Very tight stop. And on the monthly chart, we can see this is a stop run level. A stop run level from back from the Corona crisis pandemic, a low, March 2020. We've not yet seen a stop run move, and that's what we're looking for, right? A series of big green bars, or it could even be one big green bar, maybe something comparable to what we see here. So big moves for the Euro CAD long. That means we are shorting, right? The Canadian dollar. Well, let's have a look at the second big currency trend, which is the Euro Swiss. So we want to go the Swissy long. So that means the Euro Swiss chart short. And as you can see, now this pattern is on the weekly chart. This is a weekly multi-bar pattern. That's actually system 2. And we can see that pattern started back in 24. So that's a 2-year pattern, and a lot of energy vested. The bulls and the bear are confronting themselves exactly here on this red line. This is the red line in the snow. And we need to break this low, precise entry level, and we've got a precise stop, and then this trade should run really nicely. We've seen it before, right? With the Euro Swiss. Let's just zoom out. We saw big moves, right? Big moves like that, and we should see another big move coming out of this one over this course of 2024. But I don't think it will take long to actually get and break this level. Now let's come to the last one. Again, it's we're going the Swissy long, and as you can see, we've got a nice pattern here. That's another S2. We've got a momentum move, we've got a consolidation, that's a pause that is accumulating bearish energy, and with a break of this level we should actually move much higher. That's the entry signal short. If you look at the monthly chart, we always want to get a confirmation and a better idea from the higher time frame. So the monthly chart tells us there's a lot of energy vested. I mean, this is a rounded reversal consolidation that took many years, more than 10 years actually, and we've got pattern after pattern after pattern, and we did not yet develop a lot of momentum and follow through to the downside. If we zoom out, well, we can actually see it, right? That was another S1 actually, and we are building pattern after pattern after pattern. That's a fantastic stop run level, and we should see big moves here for the US Swiss. So the Swissy is our top, our strongest pair of all the pairs as part of the big currency shifts. And I'm actually going to reveal the strongest and the weakest currency pairs soon, and that's what we trade. Thanks.